Oh, look at the chuck kebab. Wow, it's amazing. Buongiorno guys, it's Max Sinestra, we are still in Ankara and today is gonna be huge. Andiamo! The owner just told me that they've been running the shop for 52 years. It's hard to find, but it's an amazing gem. Look at this place. It doesn't get any more local than that. Let's get into the kitchen. Merhaba usta. Let's see what they have. Tavuk ashlama. Boiled chicken, so good. The famous Turkish kuru fasulye. Great. Chicken sauté with veggies. Okay, let's order some food. Beautiful.
Chicken,
Ve patates.
patates.
Let's try the kuru fasulye, which I haven't tried yet in Turkey actually. This is my very first time. Bean stew, I think with the light tomato sauce and chunk of beef. Buon appetito! Oh, the meat and the beans melt in your mouth. Kuru fasulye güzel, eh? The beans are creamy. This is simple, I think staple food for the locals. So this is the owner, yeah, brothers. Mustafa. Evet. Is the owner of the Lokanta. Esnaf Lokanta.
Esnaf lokanta.
Yeah. Okay, let's try the chicken. Let me try the broth first. Simple chicken broth. Oh, here? Wow, okay. See, you get tips from the locals. Mix of herbs, maybe dry mint. Smells like oregano dip. It gives a nice herbal kick to it. It's interesting. Oh, look at the usta is making köfte. Izmir köfte with potatoes, beans on a tomato base. Oh. The owner Mustafa just brought her a small plate because they just finished preparing. Let's get a bit of everything. Nice, soft, it's pretty lean. There's no fat in it. I love this Lokanta. So cool. They are so friendly, hospitable, as always. Once again, amazing experience. Çok teşekkürler. Çok teşekkür. Hoşça kal. Okay, let's go to our next destination. We're going to have kavurma. Merhaba. Kavurma bir tane, yarım. Look, it's grilling peppers. Kavurma is sauté meat. They use entrecote, which is ribeye. Oh, the juice. Evet. Sıcak. Kimyon. Et voilà. Çok teşekkürler usta. I've been recommending this place by so many people. We got entrecote kavurma, wow, so juicy, with tomato, super hot chili pepper, and onion. Okay, buon appetito. The chili is hot. Meat is super juicy, tender. It's not too salty, it's good. Beef fatty here. They put herbs on top, onion, tomato, they give a bit of freshness. The bread is fresh. Oh, it's good, huh? Eline sağlık usta. Çok güzel. Teşekkür ederim. Oh, mami. What a service. Çok teşekkür. Çok teşekkür. You're so nice. That's the perfect pair. The chef, the owner, just gave us a bit of a entrecote with some kuru yak, some tail fat. Oh, it's super hot. I can't talk, my hand is burning. Oh, Ubasol, just melts. You barely need to use your teeth. Really, really nice. And few steps away from the kavurma place, we found this gentleman selling merhaba usta, Arnavut ciğer, like my favorite liver. So bread with the egg as well. Yumurta, Arnavut ciğer, ekmek. Fresh bread. Oh, boiled egg. Arnavut ciğer. tomatoes. Pulbiber.
Yes.
A bit of chili.
Maydanoz.
Maydanoz. Parsley.
Bu da terik.
Oh, this is rocket, I think. Beautiful. Çok teşekkürler usta. Okay, it's time to try it out. We having this sandwich with Arnavut ciğer. It's literally translated as Albanian style liver, which is actually dipped in flour and then cooked on a high heat, so fried in oil. So with rocket, tomatoes, boiled egg. The egg gives a nice touch, like kind of a creamy. The liver is a bit cold. It can be served either hot and cold. I prefer when it's cold. And the bread is so crunchy. After this lovely snack, they actually made me a bit full. But we continue our adventure. Andiamo. Köfte, yarım. They put a lot of köfte on the grill. So juicy. Look at what we having for lunch. This beautiful meatball sandwich with tomatoes, onion, parsley. We couldn't really film inside because it was so busy. This is another place that you guys recommended us. Buon appetito. It's a bit salty, a bit dry. It's not my favorite, but I guess just eating portion of meatballs is the best option. Merhaba usta. Merhaba. Oo. Char kebab. Evet. Kuzu et. Tamam. To make the char kebab they use the leg and also the kaburga, the ribs. Now he's cleaning and deboning it. This dish is very famous in Erzurum, eastern part of Turkey. It's a very old dish. It dates back to the 18th century. The chef just scaled the meat and he told me that today they use 20 kilos of meat. It depends on the day. It's based on the reservation, how busy they are. All right, it's going to slice the meat. He's patient, he's slicing all the meat. Then I guess he's going to marinate it and stack it. The master just finished slicing on the meat. Now he's going to marinate it. Black pepper all over and salt. Yes. Very simple marination. Now he's going to stack more meat on top of the already marinated one. So he's going to marinate both sides. So he put salt and pepper on top of the sliced onion, and I guess he's going to put everything on top. Oh, it's mixing everything. He's actually squeezing the onion to get the juice out of it. Oh, yes. Wow, smells intense. Onion. I feel like to cry. Mixing of the meat and the marination. I guess he'll let it rest for a bit. Wow, this is not a stick, it's a sword. Oh, that's the length of the char kebab, where he's locking it. See, patiently one by one, and he's pressing it. This takes a lot of patience. He's taking one fatty piece of meat and one pretty lean. This has less fat, well, this is pure fat. He's alternating. He's going to shape it, and he's definitely not gonna waste any meat.
Bunlar açtı koçum.
We are getting there, almost done. The master just told me that normally when it's not Ramadan time, the jah kebab is so much bigger. It's treating the meat with love. That's what you call putting passion and love in making food. See, full of onion, pepper, salt. Et voila. Yeah, finished. Güzel. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, they're locking it. She's strong. Oh, look at the char kebab. Okay. Oh, beautiful chef. Wow, it's amazing. They hire me. I'm working. I'm cooking, huh? The chef just sharpened the knife. It's getting cooked, huh? Wow. Teşekkürler usta. Mamma mia. This is the first skewer. Look, the onion, bit of the pepper, the meat, be charred. Let's give it a big bite. Oh, mamma mia. Usta. Çok güzel.
Afiyet olsun.
Eline sağlık.
Afiyet olsun.
Oh, the meat is so good though. A bit fatty, super juicy, salty, got character, you know. And as a drink, they just brought us some homemade ayran. It pairs perfectly with the jah kebab. And they also make some pide with ground meat, parsley, onion, and tomatoes. Look how thin. Buon appetito. Oh, you got lemon in it. Thin, light. Oh, I love it. Oh, I gotta look at the bread. Look, it's time for dinner. We just received a jah kebab that we tried before, freshly made salads, and this lovely bread. Oh, it got so hot. Wow. Spread a bit of butter in it. Look at this beautiful jah kebab pocket, freshly made bread, butter, spread on it, and jah kebab. Oh, the bread is amazing. And yeah, with the butter is even better. What I've been recommended is to put a bit of chili and mint on top of it. Yes. Teşekkürler. Oh. Yeah, actually it's nice with a bit of herbs, with a bit of dry mint and chili, especially the dry mint gives a very nice kick. We just received kadayıf dolması, finely shredded phyllo dough. He's stuffed with walnuts maybe. And this is pistachio, a bit of sherbet, which is water and sugar, and kaymak. Oh. A bit of kaymak. Bit crispy, crunchy, juicy because of the sherbet. I love the kaymak. This is cold. I love the contrast. It's really, really nice. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next Sunday. Ciao!